Data is at the heart of digital transformation. Today, each user is able to customize their product. In just one click, their order is sent to the relevant factory. Data is collected, transferred, and processed. The order to manufacture is sent to the control center before being shared with all the relevant machines in the factory. Production equipment items communicate with each other. They interact with their environment, using solutions that enable interoperability between networks. Data is captured, transferred, aggregated, and stored. Tailored solutions for data storage and processing are deployed. Systems are secure and backed up. Specific management tools ensure IT networks are properly monitored and managed. They guarantee high-quality service in terms of access, performance, and security. To fully exploit the value of data, algorithms offer completely secure solutions to process and analyze it. Such analysis makes it possible to anticipate and make the right decisions. Improvements in process performance, raw materials optimization, energy optimization, predictive maintenance, quality, traceability, customer relations. Users need to be able to access analysis at all times and from remote locations to communicate and collaborate. Thanks to data processing, operators are able to focus on high added value tasks. Faults are detected in real time, machine breakdowns are anticipated, and occupational health risks are reduced. Permanent process improvement, anticipated delivery, and customer notification. Actemium and Axians, a unique partnership between two specialist companies focused on digitization in manufacturing, using data to enhance agility and improve efficiency.